This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News. We're in Barcelona for the 2013 Mobile World Conference with Chris Hoover, who's VP of Marketing for OpenNet. Chris, thanks for joining us.
Oh, you're very welcome.
So one of the themes we're focused on this year is the smarter telco and how they're gathering data, making sense of that data, and then providing value for their clients. So what I'd like if perhaps you can share with me some of the big trends you're seeing with carriers around the world, and then how you're addressing some of those pain points they might be experiencing.
Sure, absolutely. What we're seeing is telecos are moving away from what we think of as sort of monolithic packages where they offer subscribers 1, 2, or 3 tiers, and what they're doing is trying to fragment their offering into something much smaller, much cheaper, but also a much broader offering. And it turns out that by doing this, and there's lots of different examples, operators are increasing their ARPU and expanding their profit margins.
I was going to say, go ahead.
One good example is around data roaming. Many operators in the past offered data roaming as a package where you could buy, for example, 500 megabytes of roaming. And what we're seeing is that operators are increasing their profit margins by up to 35% by instead offering data roaming in much smaller packages that are bought ad hoc. So that, for example, we're here in Barcelona now, I turn on my phone, I get a notification saying, hey, you're roaming, do you want to buy 10 megabytes of data for $1 or €1? I say yes, I can use that up within the day, and if I need to buy another one, I can. And what I get is a lot more control over my spend, and what the operator gets, it turns out, is a lot more engagement with their subscribers who would otherwise turn off their data completely.